story to tell about the queen inside you. You know her well, she's fierce and she's bold, with a heart of gold. In her veins she carries stories untold. Every step she takes, she owns the ground in her eyes. You see the fire when she talks. She's the essence of strength and grace. In her soul, she finds her rightful place. Be an Afro queen, let your spirit shine. In your rhythm, let the world define. With every move, you reclaim your throne. In your dance, you're never alone. In her presence, hearts awaken. Her beauty lies in power and truth. Rules rewritten in her essence. Every beat defined.